Okay, our boule is ready, our beet boule, and it's been just a little over an hour and 10 minutes since I did a final shape and started proofing this loaf. And I just wanted you to see that it's nice and puffy. When you press it in, it springs back slowly. And I'm really afraid of letting this over ferment because it's weak from the beets in it. So I'm going to go ahead and err on the side of slightly underproofing. So let's get it into the oven. Let's score it and get it into the oven. We've got a really nice looking loaf here. Now, normally to show up the crust better, I might put some water on the crust, but I'm not going to with this loaf because whenever you put water on the skin of the dough, it does weaken the dough. So I don't really want to do that with this. I don't want to take the risk that it'll start splitting. A lot of flour here. Let's get rid of some of it. I'm going to be doing a really simple score on this bread. I'm going to make a smile slash. It's pretty sticky, so I'm trying to keep the blade wet here. And then I'm just going to do some little wheat stalk type things along the edge. There we go. I think that came out really nice, and that's all we're going to need. A nice smile slash is just fine for a beet bread, don't you think? So we'll get this into the oven and we'll see how well it bakes up.